Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a huge problem facing almost every marketing department right now. Are you a CMO struggling to make sense of GenAI? Are you seeing the hype but not the ROI? Well, you're not alone. In fact, a staggering 90% of CMOs cite a lack of GenAI skills as a major roadblock to adoption. 90%. That's almost everyone. What does this mean for your job? For your company's future? Let's break it down. A recent PYMNTS intelligence report titled Strategic GenAI Integration is Unlocking Higher ROI for CMOs has uncovered some eye-opening data. The good news? CMOs are increasingly looking beyond basic GenAI applications like chatbots. They're aiming for deeper integration to drive real business impact. The report highlights that 37% of CMOs reported a positive return on investment from GenAI in October 2024, a significant jump from just 8.3% in July. That's a massive leap in just a few months. But here's the catch. These high ROI companies are strategically applying GenAI to areas like product marketing, performance measurement, and aligning strategies with overall business goals. So what's the secret sauce? The report reveals that high ROI firms are leveraging GenAI across multiple tasks, an average of 7 applications, compared to just 3 for those reporting negligible ROI. This shift towards more complex uses, such as developing product marketing strategies deeply aligned with business objectives, is what's driving the superior performance. Think about it. Are you just using GenAI for basic tasks, or are you truly integrating it into your core marketing processes? And the ROI story gets even more interesting. The percentage of CMOs reporting somewhat positive ROI decreased from 85% in July to 58% in October. But, crucially, those reporting very positive ROI skyrocketed from 8% to 37%. This clearly demonstrates that the more sophisticated the application, the better the return. It's not enough to dabble. You need a strategic, long-term commitment to GenAI to achieve truly outstanding results. Are you ready to commit? High ROI firms are laser-focused on using GenAI for key marketing functions that directly drive business success. A whopping 98% of CMOs at these firms prioritize product marketing, while 94% emphasize marketing analytics and performance measurement. In contrast, only 82% of CMOs with negligible ROI view product marketing as a key use case. This is a critical difference. By deeply integrating GenAI into these essential processes, these firms can better align their strategies with business goals and rapidly adapt to market changes. It's all about being agile and responsive in today's dynamic landscape. Consider this. 98% of high ROI firms report that GenAI enhances their adaptability to changing market conditions. That adaptability is crucial for sustained growth. It allows you to respond swiftly to shifting consumer behavior and emerging trends. The focus on strategic, high-impact applications is absolutely central to achieving excellent ROI and driving long-term success with GenAI. It's not just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead of the curve. But here's where the real challenge lies. Despite the growing ROI potential, many CMOs are still facing significant barriers to broader GenAI adoption. And the biggest hurdle? Skill gaps and unfamiliarity with the technology. A shocking nearly 90% of CMOs cite these as major obstacles to full implementation. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a full-blown crisis. It's like having a Ferrari but not knowing how to drive it. This skill gap issue is consistent across firms at all stages of GenAI integration. This highlights the urgent need for comprehensive training and development programs to fully unlock the technology's potential. Companies need to invest in upskilling their marketing teams. It's not just about hiring new talent. It's about empowering your existing workforce to thrive in this new AI-driven world. Are you investing in your team's future? And it doesn't stop there. The report also reveals that CMOs and companies that have been using GenAI for 2 to 5 years are increasingly concerned about the costs and maintenance associated with scaling the technology. It's one thing to run a pilot project. It's another to roll out GenAI across the entire organization. Are you prepared for the long-term financial commitment? Data security is another critical concern, particularly among firms with established GenAI operations. As companies increase their reliance on technology, protecting sensitive data becomes paramount. We're talking about customer data, competitive intelligence, and proprietary marketing strategies. Addressing these barriers through skill development, robust security protocols, and cost-effective solutions is absolutely essential for CMOs seeking to maximize the value of GenAI. It's about building a secure and sustainable GenAI ecosystem. Let's get a little technical for a moment. When we talk about GenAI, we're often referring to models built on the transformer architecture, like BERT. These models are incredibly powerful at understanding and generating human-like text. Then you have GANs, or generative adversarial networks, which are used to create realistic images and videos. Understanding the underlying technology, even at a high level, is crucial for CMOs to make informed decisions about GenAI implementation. And if you really want to dive deep, check out the original paper. Attention is all you need. It's the foundation for much of what we see in GenAI today. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the potential for an AI divide. On one side, you have companies that are aggressively embracing GenAI, investing in training, and strategically integrating it into their core operations. On the other side, you have companies that are hesitant, under-resourced, and struggling to keep up. This divide could widen the gap between industry leaders and laggards, creating a winner-take-all scenario. Which side will you be on? And let's not forget the ethical considerations. As GenAI becomes more powerful, it's crucial to address issues like bias, misinformation, and job displacement. We need to ensure that GenAI is used responsibly and ethically for the benefit of all. This is not just a technical challenge, it's a societal one. How can we ensure that GenAI empowers humanity rather than exacerbating existing inequalities? So what's the solution? How do CMOs bridge this GenAI skills gap and unlock the full potential of this transformative technology? The answer lies in a multi-pronged approach. Investing in comprehensive training programs, fostering a culture of experimentation and learning, partnering with AI experts, and prioritizing data security and ethical considerations. It's about creating a holistic GenAI strategy that aligns with your business goals and values. The future of marketing is undeniably intertwined with GenAI. CMOs who embrace this technology, invest in their teams, and prioritize strategic integration will be the ones who thrive in the years to come. Those who hesitate risk falling behind and losing their competitive edge. The time to act is now. Are you ready to seize the opportunity? So what are your thoughts? Are you experiencing this GenAI skills gap in your own organization? What steps are you taking to address it? Share your comments and insights below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AI Tech channel for more in-depth analysis and expert insights on the latest AI trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.